There she is, y'all. About to hook up to that trailer right there. It's gonna be her first run. I believe this load is about 43,000 pounds. So this is my 2026 Kenworth T680. Brand new. Everything, you can see the fifth wheel. Brand new, everything's new. Got new lines, brand new tires, good deep tread. '26 Kenworth T680. Give y'all a nice little walk around. Y'all a back shot. Let's go ahead and hop in real quick. So, you guys see I got the red steering wheel cover. Does have the digital mirrors. That one right there is in night vision, that's why it looks green. Go ahead and shut this door. This is how the mirrors look. This truck has 1,131 miles. Startup screen. Came right on, probably because I've been driving to get here. So that's the startup screen and how it cuts on and off. But that's how the cameras look. '26 Kenworth T680.